Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you noticed how hard it's been to find an SSD lately? Or how much more they seem to cost? It's not just you. There's a real crunch happening in the world of SSD storage right now. Think about it. Our digital lives are exploding. From streaming high-definition content to the incredible advancements in AI, the demand for fast, reliable storage is through the roof. AI data centers, in particular, are gobbling up a massive amount of these drives as they power the next wave of innovation. This surge in demand, coupled with manufacturers strategically focusing on these high-volume, high-priority projects, means that the SSDs we used to grab off the shelf are becoming much harder to come by. It's a classic case of supply and demand at play, and it's impacting prices and availability for all of us. While this might be a bit frustrating for your next upgrade, it's also a fascinating glimpse into the evolving landscape of technology. It highlights just how crucial these components are to the progress we're seeing in fields like artificial intelligence. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this sheds some light on what's been happening with SSDs. If you found this helpful, consider following along for more insights into the tech world.